Good morning. It's Saturday the 15th of February and guess what's happening again? I've been stuck at work all week and it's been lovely and sunny, and as soon as I have a day off it's miserable. But listen to this. I got my banging tunes on, so that'll brighten up my day a bit. So what I'm going to do today is the van. I'm going to pop the bonnet on the van, and then we're going to have a look at these pulleys because somebody on my channel suggested that it could be the pulleys that are loose or a pulley. So I'll have a look at that. I'm going to try and start it, but I don't think it'll start, to be honest with you, because I haven't been down in a fortnight. Anyway, right, well, let me get the bonnet up and I'll show you. Right, as soon as I got out of the car to open up the unit, guess what happened? Raining. So, right, I'll wait till this rain stops a little bit then. Right, freezing. Might be onto something here, hopefully. So, I don't know how to undo this belt, but I'm assuming it's that one there. That's a 13mm nut or bolt, but when I try and turn it, it's absolutely rock hard. So I don't know if that's the tensioner or not, but anyway, I'll have to look in the manual. But that bottom pulley down there, that one there, with the three massive, sort of like, they're not bolts sticking out, but there were three big flange things. Is it the power steering or the aircon pump or something? I think it's the aircon, isn't it? But anyway, if you just listen to this, I'll try and waggle it. And I hope you can hear it, but if you listen to this, I don't know if you heard that or not, but that sounds very similar to the noise that the engine makes when it's running. I hope it's that pulley, because if it is, what a good do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and start the car, start the van, and then we'll try and get the camera down there and see if it's down there somewhere. Right. Just give me 2 minutes a minute while I turn this engine off. So it's fully warmed up now, is the engine. In fact, it's lovely and warm. But since I've done these injector seal things, it seems to be more smoky. There's a lot more smoke and you can smell diesel smoke. And when you rev it, a bit of black shit comes out. Do you know what I mean? So, and I've been sort of like razzing up and down there in first gear, doing about 3,500-4,000 revs, and it goes all right. You know, the turbo obviously still works on it and stuff like that, so it goes proper well, but there's a bit of smoke, and that's since I've done these injector seals. So what I need to do is have a look at this pulley, don't I? Because but the noise seems to be coming from there, doesn't it? But that pulley's right down there. It's fucking weird. But if let me try and show you this pulley again. If I can try and just, so it's this one, right? So it's that one there, the bottom pulley on the right side with them big three flange things. They're not bolts. It's like a big flange thing. I think it's possibly the aircon or something. I think it is. But if I waggle that pulley, you can just hear it. So just let me waggle it. well, fucking bastard doesn't want to waggle now. Although it was doing it a little bit. I need to get this... I need to get this belt off, don't I? So I'm guessing that that's, like I say, that's the tensioner there. But I need to look in the manual. But it looks like something's snapped off there. Doesn't it? Right, so... I'm not going to do it today because it's absolutely... Well, it's fucking raining again. And I'm sick of this fucking rain. But I don't know why it's smoking. Is it smoking, you know, mind you, saying that, do you know that Red X stuff? I threw a fucking big bottle of that in petrol tank, diesel tank, and there's hardly any diesel in it. So I wonder if it's that shit coming through. Anyway. Right. At least it's, oh, that's lovely and warm. At least it's started anyway and it's running, do you know what I mean? But it's annoying, isn't it, when there's something wrong with something and you just can't pinpoint what it is. If I could pinpoint what it is, I could fucking sort it. But anyway, so what I was going to do with the van, if I could get rid of this engine noise, I was going to take it down to the garage and get it MOT'd, because I know it'll fail the MOT. There's stuff like this, look. Do you know what I mean? There's you can see holes appearing there. So I'm guessing I just need a new pan, doorstep pan thing. The back doors are fucked. The side door is absolutely fucked. You can't open it, but you can't close it, if that makes sense. So I think it'd probably fail on that. So what I need to do is just, or what I was going to do was take it down for the MOT, and if it failed on silly stuff like bulbs and, you know, if it failed on something where it cost maybe a couple of £100 to get done, then I was going to look in and see how much the engine would, see what the engine was. But if the engine noise is that pulley down there, then I don't know, guys. I've only got £1,000 in the van. It's on a 61 plate. It's one of them. It's a 2.4 diesel rear wheel drive Trend model. So is that supposed to fucking go up or down? Because that's rock solid, is that? Oh God, that's stiff. So if I could, you know, I don't mind banging 750, another grand into it, so I'd have £2 in it. £2 for a 61 plate fucking van. I think that's pretty, you know, okay, that. But right, anyway, I'm waffling now. Right, that's all I'm doing today, guys, because look, as you can see, it's fucking raining again, and I'm sick to death of it raining at weekends and sunny during week. So I'm going to go home now. My hands are freezing. I'm going to have a bath.